we're going to go over, hi YouTube, we're going to go over this new Fleet Foxes song called Can I Believe You? That's the main riff. I'm just showing you the chords. I'll show you exactly how to play it. But it's E, B. I believe it's in the key of B. This is a F sharp. And then it goes to a C sharp minor 7. But they're not playing full bar chords like this. They're playing part chords. That's kind of how they're playing it, is on the with just more like on the top 4 strings, and it's a very clean sound, and I probably don't have as much reverb on it. They like the reverb on in this group. Nice clean sound, and we have a lot of reverb on, and we're playing on these the first chord is going to be played on the 9th fret, strings 4, 3, 2. Gonna bar them. It's just like an A, except you're playing it up at the 9th fret, and then you're gonna slide down. You're going to slide down, but then you're also going to play the 8th, the 9th. No, that's the 8th. Yeah, you're going to play the 8th fret on string G. You could. It's really what it is. It's your F chord that you learn when you first start playing guitar. Except we're sliding that up to the 7th, 8th, and 9th. So you bar, just let me call it out. You bar the 7th at the strings high E and B. And you fret the, on the G string you fret the 8th. And on the D string, you fret the 9th. You could leave the D out though and just play the top 3 strings. And like what I would do is play the chord before with my ring finger. So I would like basically have them both fretted at the same time. And then we're going to come up to the 11th, play that same A-shaped chord. And then, now this, on the 9th, it's important to get the high E in there. Because if you leave off the high E, you're just playing a different chord. You're playing the E, which you've already played. That's it. How can I believe you? And that's the main chord progression through the whole song. And they're playing something like that. And really what they're doing is they're walking down the major scale, but they're just playing, they're doing it like 2 notes at a time. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 9 and 8 at the D string. Then they go 9 and 6 on the A. Then they go 9, 7 on the E. And then I think they do 9 on the E and 6 on the A. And then they arrive back on the 6 on the D string. I think that's what they're playing. You don't have to play it here, you can play it other places. But what that is they're just playing right out of this B major scale. So, you know, there's different places you can play the major scale, and it sounds to me like they're going to the lower strings, so that's why I played it there. Alright, so hopefully that'll allow you to play the rhythm guitar and, you know, to accompany someone, or if you want to sing it yourself. This song really depends on the dynamics, where they take it down and they bring it back up. And they really use this they use that you know, to connect the different sections. So hopefully that helps you, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please subscribe if you can. Helps keep the man off my back. So thanks for watching. Bye.